Don't open them until I tell you.
Let's see what's inside. Okay. I know what it is. A puppy. A puppy diffuser. I like the red tongue. It has different music buttons. You want some food? I love you. Shake. I love puppies. I think that's enough water. I bet that's enough. There we go. I see air. Smells like yummy, yummy lemon popsicles. Strawberry candy. My favorite color is pink. That's my favorite color. Now let's try to put some music on. Birds, waves, rain. There we go. It's like I'm going to sleep. I love this puppy. A great puppy. Yay, food. Puppy. Am I gonna take this home? Do I get to bring it home? I wish I could take you home. But I have to carry it.